give you guys a quick tour of our two-car garage. We have a project coming up. We usually, do woodwork, TIG welding, mechanic work, vehicle painting, all kind of stuff here. A little bit of everything. But we have a project coming up. It's a 1994 Mustang GT. It's an older school, S95 body style. Person we're buying it off, he decided to tear the engine apart because he wanted to rebuild it, and either ran out of funds or didn't know what he was doing. But now it's gonna be our project car, and I'm gonna show you around the garage. A little bit of things that we're doing. We don't have that much room, so we got to move things around. Like you can see back there is my CNC machine. It's a CNC router, but that's what we mainly do here. I'm gonna show you guys what we have in the garage and how we're gonna make room and where we're gonna put this vehicle so we can start. It's gonna be a father and daughter's project, because my daughters want to learn, first of all, how to drive stick shift again, because I taught them and it's been a couple of years. So that's one of the reasons we're getting this project, is they want to learn how to work on engines, installing clutches, and how to actually drive the car. So we're going to be doing a couple of videos, to get the car back together, and we're going to paint it. And then we're gonna have videos of them driving. That should be interesting, because they did know how to drive back then when they didn't have a license. They knew how to drive stick shift, but it's been so long, and now their vehicles are automatic, so you know how that goes. If you don't drive for a while, you get rusty. So that should be interesting videos coming up. But let me show you guys what we got going on here. Alrighty, so starting off in this side of the garage, we got the dust right from Rockler. This is the dust collector for all the woodwork and stuff. Got some machines here, the air compressor, some of my military stuff. Here's a toolbox with a lot of painting and guns and stuff, chemicals. Moving on to this side. Oh, let me show you guys. This is what my daughters gave me. That thing is pretty nice, beautiful. My son gave me that since I am Mustang guy. Here's the CNC router. There's one little project down there that's not finished. Plus, we have a few other things. Oh, also, I am a licensed barber, so I do cut hair here to, on people that I know. Not everybody gets a Neff haircut, but some do. It's one of the wood projects. It's a domino table, custom, with epoxy, and this is solid. There's the barber station, a chair, and a few of the projects that I've done. There's one of the toolboxes. Here's another one of the projects that I've done. Well, this one's not finished. It's supposed to be a gun box, but it ain't done yet. So it will be done pretty soon. One of the lockers. I have a lot of stuff in there. And then we have our car collection. Look at that. A whole bunch of Mustangs in there, obviously, Couple of RX-7s. Here's the AE86s. Got two of those. Moving on to this side. Had some machines on here and we actually took them off. But we got the AC. We can't work in this garage without the AC. And here is, it's a little messy, but this is the TIG welding station. So if you guys can see, I haven't used it in a couple weeks, but hopefully pretty soon, once we start working on this car, we'll get it. Here's the tank for the TIG, and this is my daughter's welding machine. But there's the tank, so once we get everything hooked up, we'll have cool videos for you guys. But this is our small little 2-car garage. This is all we have. You know, our floor has been epoxied, so we don't have a lot of messes, oil and all kinds of stuff in the garage. And I'm Puerto Rican, I'm retired Army, disabled veteran at the moment, but this is what we have for y'all. Nice little area. But I'm excited. I can't wait to get this vehicle in here so we can start doing all kinds of stuff, so I could get my daughters to start working on their skills, because eventually they're gonna need them. But that's all we have. If you guys want to hit that like and follow, then go ahead. I mean, I don't ask people to do it because a lot of people, you know, well, at least me, I don't like when somebody tells me, hey man, you got to follow this channel. You know, I don't like doing that. I like people to decide on their own. Y'all want to do it, then by all means, go ahead. But I'm not suggesting. But that's all we have for you guys. Pretty soon we'll come up with a few more videos. Let me see if I can get this back. But there it is, little shiny, badass little table. Garage is insulated, by the way, so the AC could work a whole lot better. Alrighty, y'all, have a blessed one. Peace.